Kia ora and welcome to Heapy's Tips and Tricks. With Hāpara Highlights, educators can take a proactive approach to support students in their learning, provide positive feedback, foster collaboration between teacher and student, model and teach digital citizenship skills, and most of all, as a communication tool to let learners know that their teachers are there to support them. You can close a tab in Highlights and provide a reason for doing so, but have you considered using the message feature as a positive step towards redirecting a student before having to close a tab? By providing students with context as to why they should close the page, they will be less likely to repeat the off-task behavior. Here's a list of reasons we have gathered to get you started. Type in the bit.ly link and you'll be prompted to make a copy of this document. Bookmark it so you'll have the doc handy at all times. When you need to send a quick canned message, choose one from the list. Be open and transparent with your learners. Curate a list of positive messages with your learners as a step towards creating a positive online and offline classroom community. Remember that you can send messages to your whole class, a learner, or groups that you've created. Thanks for watching.